beach na paya. Paya. Let's go.
Tek na yan.
Naggatol na! Sakupin na!
Oh, shit.
Oh my God, ang surugit-lugit. Lugit daw sa over. Diyan naman sila, dito na pa. Ay, may kalabaw!
Ah, fuck.
I am so happy! Why? Mga tanga din pala kayo, no? Aso ba yan? I am going to swim, mother. Ano ba? Huwag ka naman mag-English na. Kabobo.
Turong Graham.
Oy, tangik! Picture you! Michelle!
Mapapagalitan ako.
Do you want ice cream?
Mapapagalitan ako, Sophia.
I'm the father. Huwag na kayo mag-English, mas lalong
English.
bababagado ko yan. I don't kilala you.
I don't know you kasi. Top 1 ka, tapos hindi mo alam mag-English.
Mababa grades ko sa English.
Ilan ka? 91.
I want to go home. My eyes are dying. 90 plus 5.
My ears gonna die.
My eyes are dying.
I'm gonna go blind.
What happened, Della?
Why are you crying again?
What happened, Della? What happened?
Hoy, yung uncle nyo.
Oh! My hobby. Uy, gago, nagpalubos na dam.
Damn.
Uy, orayin na nagpalubos na dam. Tanga. Apan dito'y adi dam.
Damn.
Hindi ay. That's a super big. Oh my God.
It's water kasi.
Sukat ni Kati. Nagpalubos ni dam. I'm not talking to you. Oh, let's go. I'm talking to my mother.
Deserve.
My skin is so itchy. Gay, magiging na for time ano? Naka-video yan ha? Uy, di mo na. Oh, yung expensive bag mo. Oh, did you? Why? Anong ginawa ko sa yung expensive bag mo? Gato yung taima yo! When it hurts! Naging-agi nga ito yung bakit siya! Baka isipin nila, sinusundan natin sila. Agawin tayon! Naggatol! Naging-agi tasima na! Ano siniramlit siya? Ang dami mong rules! Pag nakati kinikili ko dito, di papaima yun! Naputok ka! Ikaw na yun? Oy, Pia, gawin tayo. Gagpa-share sa baling. Let's go! Let's go to the barangay hall.
Put the trash in your expensive bag.
Ano mga Pia mga Diyos?
Why?
No!
Why? You don't have permission.
Yes,
Yes.
because my bag is so expensive. It's from
It's fucking paper.
No!
It's
worth 1 billion. It's worth $500.
500 lang.
Dollar.
Oh,
Let's go home. It's already.
let's pack our already night. Damn.
Let's pack our things and go out. Ay, nag-i-English na. Nabobobo yung utak ko.
Your brain is short-circuiting. Oh.
No. It's expensive.
No, it's not. Oy.
My pamaypay is broke. Michelle, this is yours. You can put na. This is yours.
iPhone 6.
Dayan. Wait.
Louis Vuitton wallet.
I'm look like a trash ka. Because I don't like you. Ano?
Yung ano nyo. Your trash. You need to...
There. Here's
Hoy.
bodyguards.
Bodyguard! Yung isang ano, tumbler.